Ever wondered how we can express changing situations in English? Well, today we're diving into the world of the present continuous tense. Picture this. You're in the midst of a dynamic, evolving scenario, and you want to capture that sense of ongoing change. That's where the present continuous comes in. Let's break it down. When we use the present continuous, we're shining a spotlight on actions or situations that are currently unfolding before our eyes. It's like hitting the play button on a scene that's constantly in motion. For example, the city is bustling with activity, or technology is advancing at a rapid pace. So, picture this. I'm walking down the street, minding my own business, when suddenly I see something that blows my mind. People are protesting, chanting, and waving signs in the air. It's chaos, but it's also a perfect example of the present continuous tense in action. This tense adds a layer of immediacy and vibrancy to our descriptions. It's not just about what's happening now, it's about what's happening right this moment as we speak. Think of it as a snapshot of a moving target, freezing that fluidity in time. You see, the present continuous is all about describing actions that are happening right now, at this very moment. It's like taking a snapshot of a changing situation. In this case, the protesters are actively making their voices heard, demanding change and sparking a movement. But the beauty of the present continuous doesn't stop there. It's not just about what's happening at the present moment, it's also about actions that are temporary or changing. Just like the protest I witnessed, these situations are dynamic and evolving. Think about it. The world is constantly changing, and the present continuous helps us capture those shifts in real time. Whether it's a protest, a construction site, or even just a friend telling a story, the present continuous allows us to express the fluidity of life. So, whether it's a business expanding its horizons, the climate shifting, or a community growing, the present continuous paints a vivid picture of change and progress. It's a linguistic tool that captures the essence of flux and evolution. Next time you want to convey a sense of ongoing transformation, remember to reach for the present continuous. It's your ticket to narrating the ever-changing tapestry of life with clarity and precision. And there you have it, the present continuous tense in all its dynamic glory. So, go forth and sprinkle some linguistic magic into your descriptions of changing situations. Until next time, keep those sentences flowing and those verbs evolving. So, next time you find yourself in the midst of a changing situation, remember the power of the present continuous. It's not just a grammar rule. It's a tool that helps us navigate the ever-shifting landscape of our world. And who knows, maybe the next time I walk down the street, I'll witness another moment that perfectly illustrates the magic of the present continuous. Until then, I'll keep my eyes open and my grammar skills sharp.